Criminology words of the day, complaint and information. So, itong mga words na ito ay ginagamit natin sa CDI, sa CJS, and sa other law subjects. So, here's the meaning of the words complaint and information. So, this is under Rule 110 of the Revised Rules on Criminal Procedure. So, Section 2, ang sinasabi lang dito is that ang complaint or ang information, of course, it should be in writing in the name of the people of the Philippines and against all persons who appear to be responsible for the offense involved. And ang definition ng complaint is that it is a sworn written statement charging a person with an offense subscribed by the offended party, yung victim, any peace officer or other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. So, kadalasan, ang tinutukoy dito ay ang police officers. Again, so ang complaint is primarily done by police officers. And then, ang information naman, it is defined as an accusation in writing charging a person with an offense. Charging, nagsasampa na daw ng kaso. Subscribed by the prosecutor. So, ang gumagawa nito is ang prosecutor and filed with the court. So, yung prosecutor, ibibigay ang information kapag magsasampa na siya ng kaso. So, yun ha, ang complaint manggagaling yan sa police officer papunta sa prosecutor. And yung information naman ay manggagaling sa prosecutor papunta sa court kapag nakapag-desisyon na yung prosecutor na magsasampa siya ng kaso. So, that's the meaning of the words complaint and information. Stay tuned for more criminology vocabulary. Bye!